No, not that one. Look at the party.
So the book is about his brother going to war. When?
I don't know.
So the brother is going. Okay, people, focus, focus. So the book, so far as I know, is about the brother going to war and his older brother trying to survive at home. Yeah. So out of these words, how can you tell?
Wait, what are you looking for?
Hitler.
There's you should type in Holocaust survivor, like, because I was doing my taxes this weekend.
Is it that one where she's counting her?
No, the government's paying Holocaust survivors a stipend of money for having to deal with the Holocaust. Because when I was doing my taxes, it asked if I had received any money for the Holocaust survivors, like, I can't remember the wording. Just type in Holocaust survivor money and see if anything comes up. Well, yours is easier because it's kind of realistic fiction. So you could type in, like, you can find any article really that, I mean, in the first hour somebody found an article about the Jonas Brothers. Sorry, just recording.
How do you? Wait, is this recorded?
Go to Mictionary and then pick how many of each word you want. I would say the more the better because you can always delete but you can't add. Apply changes and then it's going to throw them all over here. And then you can move them around and drag them in and out. If you want to delete, just hold your finger down on it to delete, and when you want to get out of that, you go there. Cool?
Yeah. Like I feel like killed.
Don't mind me. Don't mind me.
Is that recording?
It might be. I just have to have a video of you guys using the iPads, so I'm just having Caleb point at stuff.
What?
And look like he's, and then Trace just smile and
You know,
point.
we're trying to create this thing, but we want more words, but apparently last hour took all of our words.
Yeah,
so
it took all the custom words.
so we can't. We really need was, but
Okay, well, see if you can creatively make your poem without was.
we got the secret meaning.
I didn't realize that it was per use. You know what I'm saying? I thought every time you went in, you could get 10 more words.
They used the.
Probably.
No, this is.
That's because if you go into Mictionary, it asks you how many of those words you want. Are you guys making your poem? Yeah.
Trying. Okay, no more words remaining.
Well, I think we were just discovering over there that other classes use them. I thought that every time you went in, you could get 10 words, but apparently not.
Are you recording?